Hello friends, today I am going to start with exercise 11.1. So question number 1. Few points that always we will write down whenever we will read word problem, which shape is there, what information is given, then formula and then solution, and the last step we write answer in full step. So let us start reading question number 1. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece. So what does it mean? Which shape is given? Rectangle. Length is also given and breadth is also given. So write down length. Let me write down side by side so that I can save the place. 500 meter. Breadth, it is given here 300 meter respectively, and find its area. Area is question mark, and cost also you need to find, and for cost rate is given. So rate is given here rupees 10,000 per meter square. What does it mean? 1 meter square cost is 10,000 rupees. So we need to find out area and we will find out cost for that much area. Okay. So area you need to find area of a rectangle. What is the formula for area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. Substitute the values here. 500 meter and breadth is 300 meter. Multiplication 5 3s are 15 and how many zeros? 4 zeros. Whenever bigger number is there, always put comma. According to Indian number system, meter and meter 2 times. So the unit will be meter square. Or we know that area is 2-dimensional, length and breadth 2-dimensional. So power will be 2. So you need to find out cost. How to find out cost? Whatever area you got into rate. Whatever rate is given in the question. So area is given 1,50,000 and multiply by rate. Rate is given 10,000. Definitely you are going to get a bigger number. So cost will be rupees 15 will be as it is. Now count number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can put commas accordingly. So that much is the cost we require. Now question number 2. So let me read question number 2. Question number 2, here it is given. Find the area of a square park. So which shape is given? Square. Find area. So area is equal to question mark, whose perimeter is given 320 meter. In such questions, whatever is given, we use that formula. Perimeter is given, so we will use formula for perimeter of a square. So what is the formula? 4 into side. Substitute the value. Perimeter is given 320 meter. 4 into side you are supposed to find out. Since this 4 is in multiplication, so left hand side this will come in division. You can cut the numbers. How to cut the numbers or multiplication of fractions, you can watch my video for the fraction topic. Okay, so 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32 and one more 0, so 80 meter is the length of the side. And then you need to find area, so we will use formula for area also. Area of a square will be side square, or you can say side into side. So side is 80 meter into 80 meter. 8 8s are 64 with 2 zeros. 6,400 meter into meter will give you meter square. So 6,400 meter square. Here one thing I want to tell you, just look at the formula. Area is equal to side into side, and suppose I am writing this 5, so this 5 and S should be written carefully. Few students, they are writing 5 like this, so it is looking like S. So whenever we are solving this area questions, please write down 5 carefully so that teachers will read it properly. Now the next question is question number 3. Question number 3, here it is given, find the breadth of a rectangular plot. So which shape is given? Rectangle. Find the breadth. So breadth is equal to question mark. Its area. So A is equal to 440 meter square and length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. Okay. I said whatever information is given, we will start with that. Area is given. So we will start area of a rectangle, that is L into B. Substitute the values 440 meter square and length is given 22 meter and breadth you are supposed to find. So this 22 meter is in multiplication. So left hand side this will come in division. Now you can cut the number. 22 ones are 22, 22 twos are 44 and one more 0. 1 meter and 1 meter will get cancelled. So 20 meter is equal to breadth. You know that breadth is a single dimension, only length is given. So for unit will be only meter. Now you need to find out perimeter also. So we will use this B and we will write down perimeter. So what is the formula for perimeter? 2 in bracket L plus B. So 2 in bracket, length is 22 and breadth is 20. So add this, you will get here 42. Multiply this, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 84 meter. So your perimeter is 84 meter. Now the next is question number 4. Question number 4, the perimeter of a rectangular sheet. So shape is again rectangle. Perimeter is given here 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, so length is 35 centimeter. Find its breadth. So you need to find out breadth and also find area. So again, value of perimeter is given. So we will start with the formula of perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle. So 2 in bracket L plus B. Substitute the values. Perimeter is given 100. L is given 35 and breadth you are supposed to find. Two ways are there. You can just open this bracket. You can use distributive property, or another way, since this number is divisible by 2, next step you can write down 2 in division on left hand side. So this will become 35 plus B. 100 divided by 2 will give you 50 is equal to 35 plus B. This 35 is in addition. So left hand side this will come in subtraction. So 35 minus 15 will give you 15 centimeter. So breadth of the rectangular plot is 15 centimeter. And now you need to find area. So what is the formula for area for rectangle? Length into breadth. Length is given here 35 centimeter and breadth is given 15. So multiply these two numbers, you will get 525. Your unit will be centimeter square. I think everybody has understood how I am writing the values. I am reading the word problem and whatever information is given I am writing down. All these are called statements. If you will not write down this in the exam, your marks will be deducted. And this makes our work easier if you are writing everything with the question. Next one is question number 5. The area of a square park. So which shape is given here? Square. Area of the square park is same as the rectangular park. It means two things are given. Which square? Definitely side will be given over there. So let us write down. We will read the question. And another shape is given rectangle. And with rectangle, what information must be given? Length will be given and breadth will be given. And what is given? Area of these two figures are same. Okay. So let me read the next part. If the side of a square part is 60 meters, square part is 60 meter, and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. Find the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, so this much information is given, and what else is given? Area of a square is equal to area of a rectangle. This is given. So we have written this. Okay. What is area of a square? Side into side, and area of a rectangle is length into breadth. For side it is given 60 meters. So write down 60 into 60, and length is given 90. Breadth you are supposed to find. You can multiply this and you can divide by 90, but unnecessary you are making it complicated. So it's better just shift 90 to the left hand side. So 90 was in multiplication. So now here it will be in division is equal to breadth. You can cut 110. The number is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6 and 0. Multiply the remaining number. So you will get 40 meter as a breadth. Now next is question number 6. Question number 6. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. You can just imagine one wire or one thread. Okay. So the shape it is given here. It is in the shape of a rectangle. So let me write down rectangle. If its length is 40 centimeter, for rectangle length is given 40 centimeter and breadth is given 22 centimeter. If same wire is rebent, we have made one rectangle, just rebend it, just open that thread and again make a square. So we are making with the same. So length of the wire will give you perimeter. So you need to find out perimeter, and same perimeter will be the part of a square also. For square, what will be the measure of each side? For square you need to find out each side, and what will be the perimeter? Same perimeter you will get it here, because the same wire we rebend and we make the square. Okay, and also find which shape enclose more area. It means you need to find area also. So let us start with the rectangle part. What will be the formula for perimeter? 2 in bracket L plus B. So write down 2. Length is 40 and breadth is 22. Add this. This will give you 62. Multiply by 2. You will get 124 centimeter. And as I said, same perimeter will be the perimeter of a square also. So we will write down square. Okay. And now you need to find area also. So what is area? Length into breadth. How much is the length here? 40. How much is breadth? 22. So multiply this. 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 880 centimeter square. Now we will solve for square. Perimeter is given. So always we start whatever is given. So perimeter is equal to 4 into side. Substitute the values. 124 is equal to 4 into side. You need to find. See, if you will not write down 5 properly, it will look like 4 into S. So now 4 is in multiplication. So left hand side 4 will come in division. Cut the number. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. So 31 centimeter will be the length of the side. And you need to find out area. Area is side into side. So that is 31 into 31. Multiply these two numbers. You will get 961 centimeter square. So area of a rectangle is 880 centimeter square and area of a square is 961 centimeter square. Find which shape encloses more area. So write down answer. Square encloses more area. Now the next is question number 7. Question number 7. The perimeter rectangle. So again shape is given rectangle. Perimeter is already given 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 meter, so breadth is given 30 meter. Find its length and find its area. So again we will start with perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B. Substitute the values 130 in bracket here. L you need to find and breadth is given 30. Again since this number is divisible by 2, shift this 2 on the left hand side. So this will come in division. Just cut the number 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10. So 65 is equal to L plus 30. Now 30 will become negative on the left hand side part. Subtract this and you will get 35. Your unit will be meter. So you got length as a 35 meter. Now we will find out area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Length just now we found 35 and breadth is given 30. Multiply these two numbers and you will get 1050 meter square. So this is the area. And now the last question of this exercise, that is question number 8. Question number 8, here it is given, shape is given rectangle. Let me draw the figure. One wall is given. In this wall, one door is given. So measurement is given. For the door, this is 2 meter and this is 1 meter. And for the rectangle, breadth is 3.6 meter and here it is given 4.5 meter, and you need to find out area of this shaded part. So first step we will find out area of the wall. Area of the wall. This is rectangle. So formula will be length into breadth. Substitute the values 4.5 into 3.6. Multiply these two numbers and you will get 16.2 meter square. Now second step we will find out area of the door. Area of the door. Again length into breadth. So 1 meter, or you can say 1 into 2. This will give you 2 meter square. And the third step, therefore area to be whitewashed. So how to find out area to be whitewashed? We will subtract this. So 16.2 meter square minus 2 meter square will give you 14.2 meter square. And then you need to find cost also. So let me clear this figure. Let me solve the last part here. Fourth step. So how to find out cost? Always we multiply area with rate. So how much area to be painted? 14.2 meter square. Sorry. And what rate is given here? Rupees 20 per meter square. So multiply these two. You will get rupees 284. So this way question number 8 we have covered and completed in 4 steps. Thank you for watching today's video.